Good morning, children. Today's class we are going to learn about the respiratory system. Children, last class you have learnt about what is respiration and phases of respiration. So let's have a quick recap of that. Respiration means the chemical process of releasing energy by breaking down glucose for carrying out life processes. It takes place in both plants and animals. It has two phases, glycolysis and Krebs cycle. Glycolysis means breakdown of glucose which takes place in the cytoplasm of the cell. It results in the formation of pyruvic acid and releases two molecules of ATP. The next is Krebs cycle which takes place in the mitochondria of the cell, which is a cyclic process where enzymes are required to break down the pyruvic acid, and it takes place in several steps. At the end of the reaction, carbon dioxide, water and a lot of heat is formed. Some of the heat is converted into energy molecule called ATP. So at the end of the reaction, one molecule of glucose is oxidized to carbon dioxide, water and 38 molecules of ATP. Now let's see what are the types of respiration. There are two types of respiration, aerobic respiration and anaerobic respiration. Aerobic respiration means the respiration in which oxygen is utilized to break down the glucose into carbon dioxide, water and releasing heat energy. Whereas anaerobic respiration means where the oxygen is not required to break down the glucose. Anaerobic respiration takes place in both plants and animals. So let's see what are the differences in anaerobic respiration in plants and animals. In plants, product of glucose are ethanol and CO2, that is carbon dioxide, whereas in animals, product of glucose is lactic acid and no carbon dioxide is formed. In plants, released heat energy is more, whereas in animals, heat energy is released very less. In plants, carbon dioxide is released causing foaming, whereas in animals, no foaming takes place as no carbon dioxide is released. Now, the next is the parts of respiration, that is breathing, gaseous transport, tissue respiration and cellular respiration. Breathing means the exchange of gas. We take in air and give out air. The air which we take in has more percentage of oxygen and the air which we give out has more percentage of carbon dioxide. It is a completely physical process. There is no chemical change taking place during breathing. The air which has been taken, the oxygen is going to mix up with the blood. It combines with hemoglobin and becomes oxyhemoglobin and travels to every part of the body. It reaches to the tissue and the cells of the body where the oxygen is going to be utilized to break down the glucose. So we call it as the tissue respiration or the cellular respiration. So children, in the next class we are going to learn about the organs of the human respiratory system and how we the circulation of the oxygen and the blood takes place in our body. Thank you and have a good day.